students, how are you all? So we are doing lesson number 6, fractional numbers, and today we will do equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions क्या होते हैं? Equivalent fractions are fractions that have the same value but different numerator or denominator. Let's take an example. यहाँ पे हमने 3 boxes बनाए हैं and we have divided them and shaded them. So उनका कुछ part जो है shaded है. So here we have 2 part. In next one we have 4 parts and in next one we have 6 parts. We have shaded one part of the 2. So how we will write? कितने total boxes हैं? 2. So base will be the total number, your total parts. Okay, always it will be always like that. It is, we have 2 parts here, so the base will be, the denominator will be the total number of parts. Here we have 4 parts, so the denominator will be 4, and here we have 6 parts, so the denominator will be 6. Now we have shaded a part of it, so one part is shaded, so 1 as numerator, 2 part is shaded, therefore 2, and we are talking about 3 parts in this, so 3. So we have 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6 as fractions of these boxes. But as you can see, these are half of that figure. All the 3 factors, if you see, they are half of the total figure. Like 1 by 2, here we have 4, 4 ka half is 2, 2 by 4. Here we have 6, 6 ka half is 3 by 6. So these factors are equal. They are equal of the whole. They are half of the whole. All these fractions are half of the whole fraction. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Therefore, these are the equivalent fractions. They have the same value, 1 by 2, half of the whole. They have the same value but different numerator and denominator. 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6. Therefore, the fractions that shows the same part of the whole are called equivalent fractions. Hope it is clear to you. Now let's find out how we can obtain equivalent fractions of a given fraction. हम कैसे equivalent fraction निकाल सकते हैं? We will find it out. For that we have to multiply numerator and denominator of a fraction by same number. Okay, let's take an example. Find equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 के equivalent fractions हमें निकालने हैं. So we will multiply and divide the number fraction with the same number. 3 by 4 multiplied by 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Numerator and denominator both are multiplied by 2. So we got 6 by 8. 3 into 2 6, 4 into 2 8. Similarly 3 by 4 is multiplied by 3, both numerator and denominator. So we got 3 into 3 9, 4 into 3 12. Here we multiplied numerator and denominator with 4. We got 12 by 16. उसके बाद 3 by 4 को हमने 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. न्यूमरेटर को 3 into 5 is 15. डिनोमिनेटर 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So ये जितने भी numbers हैं, these numbers are few of equivalent fractions of 3 by 2. Because we have multiplied the numerator and denominator with the same number. So जो fraction ये represent कर रहे हैं, that will be 3 by 4 only. So these are few of the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Now let's see how we can find इफ टू फ्रैक्शंस आर इक्विवेलेंट और नॉट, कैसे हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कि जो दो गिवन फ्रैक्शंस हमारे पास हैं वो इक्विवेलेंट है कि नहीं. वी कैन डू इट बाय क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. इफ बोथ द प्रोडक्ट्स आर इक्वल देन द फ्रैक्शन इज इक्विवेलेंट, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट इक्वल देन the fraction is not equivalent. Let's take an example. 2 by 5 and 4 by 10. ये हम दोनों दो fractions हमें given है और हमें check करना है if they are equivalent or not. So we will do cross multiplication of these two fractions. Numerator will be multiplied with denominator, and denominator of the first will be multiplied by numerator of the second. Okay, 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 2 into 10 is equal to 20. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. So multiplication के बाद numerator जो cross multiplication के बाद we got the same result. Therefore 2 by 5 and 4 by 10 are equivalent fractions. 2 by 5 and 4 by 10 are equal. Let's take another example. 4 by 7 and 8 by 21. अब इसका कैसे चेक करेंगे? Again through cross multiplication. 4 into 21, 7 into 8. 4 into 21 we got 84. 7 into 8 we got 56. Therefore 4 by 7 and 8 by 21 are not equivalent fractions. So not equivalent के लिए साइन होगा this. Equal को हम क्रॉस कर देते हैं. This is the sign of not equal to. So 4 by 7 is not equal to 8 by 21. So hope it is clear to you how we can check the equivalence of a fraction. Okay students, have a good day.